Hello, welcome to Summer Storytime and the Summer of Reading with Port Talbot Libraries. Now, as the theme of the Summer Reading Challenge this year is Wild World Heroes, I thought to myself, let's go out into the wild world to tell you some stories. And we are going to start this week with a story from Port Talbot author John Davies, and it is this book here, Darren and the Draaken. Darren the dragon looked out from his cave, but old Mr. Wind was so wild and so brave. The trees in the vale gave a creak and a groan, and the peaks of Snowdonia were battered and blown. Late the next morning, when Darren flew out, the village people were searching about. A foreign dragon brought in the storm had stolen the princess and left them forlorn. The king and the queen had offered a prize and sent out for help to all the allies. Darren decided to help if he could, so he searched all around in the neighbourhood. By the lake of the plough, at last he found the strange new dragon alone on the ground. Darren flew down and without much ado asked the scale stranger, "Now, who are you?" "I am the Draaken. From the Norse land I flew. I've captured a princess, and a ransom I'm due." He then flapped his wings and flew back to his lair, a cliff on the Clogwyn, high up in the air. Darren soon followed, and there he espied the pretty young princess all teary-eyed. She called out in terror, "Oh, help me, please do," as she slipped to the ledge and lost her left shoe. The Draaken took flight with one mighty roar, so Darren gave chase to the Draaken once more. They flew round in circles and dived through the air, dashing and clashing in aerial warfare. As the dragons fought on, the young princess prayed, but dangerous Darren did not feel afraid. He flew at the Draaken with a roar full of rage and struck him a blow right on his ribcage. The Draaken then fell to the valley below and quickly left Wales with his heart full of woe. The princess was pleased with Darren the brave as he carried her home from the hilltop cave. He flew to the palace to meet with the king, where the courtiers danced a Welsh Highland fling. Darren the dragon would take no reward. Payment enough was the princess restored. The end. So that was the story of Darren and the Draaken, written by John Davies and illustrated by Callum Graham. Join me next week for another Summer Storytime. Until then, bye for now.